To replace the drive control handle on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws securing the drive control handle housing. Detach the housing from the upper handle. Then insert the small flathead screwdriver into the hole in the housing and depress the tab to fully separate the housing. Detach the end of the drive control cable from the handle and set the old assembly aside. You're now ready to prepare the new drive control handle for installation. Align the handle on the upper housing stud so the cable notch faces away from the housing and snap it into place. Attach the control cable to the drive control handle, position the adjuster, then align the bottom portion of the housing and snap the lower section into place. Position the new assembly on the upper handle. Thread the 4 screws to secure. Confirm the drive control handle moves freely, and your lawn mower should be ready for use.